The Nigerian Navy don tok say dem no go allow oil tifitifi jankorikoko pipo operate for we country Naija and say dem go strike and arrest the oil tifitifi jankorikoko pipo as dem dey plan to thief national assets. The Chief of Naval Staff Vice Admiral Emmanuel Ogala for im visit come carry waka come see the ships for Federal Ocean Terminal for Onel for Rivers State and also come do check for the state of the facility of Nigerian Navy wey dey for different locations for the state. After he don see the ships for the terminal, he come also enter the Naval College and come do check for some of the blocks for the college. The Naval Chief come also carry waka enter the Forward Operation Base Boni, the Naval Medical Center, the Naval Shipyard, the Hydrographic School, and the Nigerian Navy Ship Pathfinder for Port Harcourt. After the check and waka about, the Naval Chief come send warnings to oil tifitifi jankorikoko people say make them comot from water and remove hand and body from national assets.
We are going to improve our surveillance capability because we want to be able to strike the criminals even before they go into the act. We want to arrest them while they are planning, while they are thinking about it. So we don't want to be on the defensive. We want to take the war to the criminals and get them even before they start the act. This we can only do through proper intelligence, both human intelligence and using technology. And that's why we're trying to extend the coverage of our maritime domain awareness capability, the Falcon Eye, to the backwaters, which is the creeks.
The Naval Chief can also talk say the story wey dey ground say military hand dey for oil tifitifi for we country, say that story no hold water at all and say no be true.
If you go through some of those allegations and you investigate them, you find out that the basis of those allegations are unfounded. For instance, somebody will just see a vessel somewhere, he will say, oh, the military are involved. He doesn't even know whether there's proper approval from NNPC for that vessel to load. But he will put it on social media that he saw some military men on board the vessel and that vessel is engaged in illegal bunkering without having the correct information. But whatever the case may be, anytime we receive such allegation, we investigate it properly. So far, our investigations have been showing that most of the allegations are not true. But each time we still respond to them by investigating properly so that if there's element of truth in it, we hold the personnel responsible and we apply the law according to the Armed Forces Act. It has a very severe consequence, ranging from imprisonment to dismissal, which we apply on. So there have been such cases in the past and appropriate action were taken. But I bet you more than 90-something% of those allegations are just based on social media hype without proper background.
Una go remember say no be today the Navy don dey fight and pursue oil tifitifi jankorikoko people for we country Naija, and Ogala no be the first Naval Chief wey don promise to end all these crude oil tifitifi people for Niger Delta. And as the matter be so, plenty people don put their eye for ground to look and see wetin the Naval Chief wan do. From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesoli, TMC TV News.